We're here at the Clarinetist site at Roger Williams Park talking about maintenance of BMPs. So the inlet for this BMP is a curb cut, which allows the water to sheet flow off the roadway, which used to have a catch basin that piped directly into the ponds here at Roger Williams Park. So as far as maintenance of the inlet itself, simply the water sheet flows off the roadway, so unless there's forestry debris, such as tree branches or a large buildup of sediment, the maintenance of the inlet is very simple in these things, and a great benefit of these types of inlets because they are easy to maintain. Typically, you will not see debris building up in these like you would the trench drain through a sidewalk. Now a sheet flows over that with a solid cover instead of a graded cover and makes its way into the permeable paver forebay. And the way you can tell a paver is permeable or not is the permeable pavers have a nub on the side of the paver which allows for a gap in between the pavers, which is filled by rice stone. So here the water comes off, and as you will see, we had a large rain event, and it is continuing to rain now, and we can show you that this water will build up. It will make its way up the slopes of the BMP and the pre-treatment area by design. That will happen at a certain amount, depending on the capability of the site itself. So you'll see here that we are beyond the permeable paver. That water will reside back into the permeable pavers. The sediment will come out before it makes its way through the wear. But a great example of how these systems can work. And as long as your water is not staying for more than 2 days in the treatment area, which is beyond the wear, the system is functioning properly. So just because there is standing water in a system does not mean it's not functional. Because of the 2 to 3 inches of rain that we received overnight and the rain continues to fall here, you'll see that the treatment area has standing water in it. It's probably about 2 inches below the overflow pipe. If the rain continues today, there is a chance that that water will go into the overflow. As long as the sump is cleaned in the overflow, the water will make its way out to the ponds unfiltered, untreated, but still won't impact the area surrounding the BMP. The water will remain inside the designed area. And it's critical that your containment berms and the elevation of the grate on the overflow are true. So you need to make sure that the overflow grate is slightly below the top of the containment berms so that the water will not breach the berm before it goes into the overflow pipe.